Hello, so we're going to attempt this question. A teacher collected $8 from each student who will attend a class trip. The teacher collected a total of $232. How many students will attend the class trip? So we know that it costs $8 per student. So I'm going to write student short form. And the teacher collected a total of $232. Now we want to know in X amount of students will attend the class trip. So we were going to rearrange the equation to solve for x. X will be equal to $232 multiplied by 1 student per $8. Let me write this a little bit better. Just scribbles. The dollar sign is going to cross out. And now we want to divide $232 by 8. So I'm going to use long division. Okay. How many 2's can be divided in 8? It's 0. 8 times 0 is 0. And we're going to minus this. 2 minus 0 is 2. We want to bring the 3 down. 23. How many times can 23 be divided by 8? It's 2. 8 times 2 is 16. I'm going to bring down the 2. How many times can 72 be divided by 8? It is 9. The answer is 29 students will be attending the class trip.